Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
Gotta love this time of the year. You have the nice warm afternoons, the nice cool nights, and that weather's going to continue for at least another couple of days. Forecast headlines for the upcoming week. It's going to stay dry through at least Wednesday and seasonably warm with highs up there in the 80s. Some showers toward late in the week, but even that is a little bit uncertain, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Right now for you Tuesday, looking pretty good out there. We'll have a lot of sunshine, 52 degrees in the morning, maybe a degree or two warmer than it was this morning, but the afternoon looks identical. Plenty of sunshine at noon, 76 degrees. The afternoon high tomorrow happening around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 83. No rain at all in the forecast. 8 o'clock tomorrow night, 74 degrees, about like it's going to be at 8 o'clock tonight. Here's what the skies looked like earlier this afternoon. We had some cumulus clouds in the sky, couldn't kind of make up their mind where they wanted to go, but they are dissipating over the last 30 minutes or so. There's a live look looking out over the Augusta Mall, and it is warm out there, mostly sunny, 82 degrees. We've had an east wind out there today at 3. That's pulled in a little bit of moisture, but that said, the humidity is only at 30%. A great looking day reported by our storm spotters today. Lows were in the 50s this morning in Grovetown, 54 the low temperature there. A little cooler in Rennes, it was 49 this morning, but look at that afternoon high of 84. Our coolest afternoon reported out of Jackson. Gale reporting a high temperature down that way of 78. Low to mid 80s typical all across the board, 81 for Allendale and Sylvania. Off to the west, a little warmer because of that easterly wind, and on a day like that, the farther you get away from the coast, the warmer it gets, and that's why it was a little warmer in Thompson today at 84 than in Augusta at 83. Right now in Augusta, 80 degrees, 81 in Louisville, already cooling off a little bit across South Carolina with 77 down to the southeast in Allendale. That chance of rain later on this week is going to come from sort of a tropical system. It may end up being called what they call a subtropical low. It doesn't have all the characteristics of a tropical system, but it does have some of the same effects. It is going to be gaining strength over the next few days. Our computer model taking it pretty much right along the Gulf Stream, along the coast, and depending on where that exact track comes, we could end up getting some rain from that. Right now it looks like about a 30% chance of a few spotty showers starting on Thursday. And this storm system may actually stall around the southeast for a few days, and that's going to keep a small chance of rain in the forecast right through the weekend. But how much rain, how widespread at this point is very uncertain. Clear out there tonight and seasonably cool. Low temperatures mainly in the mid-50s. Tomorrow mostly sunny and entirely nice. 82 the high in North Augusta, 83 for Hephzibah. Here is your 7-day forecast coming up, and we're talking about highs in the 80s the next few days. Temperatures cool into the 70s as clouds and a small chance of rain come in late in the week.
Wow, that rain comes back with a vengeance, doesn't it?
It's only a 30% chance. It looks worse on the graphic than it's going to be.
All right, thanks, Chris. A gorgeous weekend out there. Do we ever want them to come to an end? This one, though, really hard to end and come back to work on Monday.
Tell you what, Saturday got off to a cold start. It was 42 degrees Saturday morning.
Wow, it was really cold. Not that cold when I woke up.
Yeah, same here. But the afternoons have certainly been nice with highs in the 80s. Let's take a look at how nice it was out there today. That really has been the only question lately. The low this morning, a cool 49. That was 4 degrees below the average of 53. 83, the official high temperature at Augusta Regional Airport. That was nowhere near the record high of 94 back in 1902. Rain did not fall today, so the rainfall deficit does not fall either. It goes up to just under a ½ inch on the year, so we're still looking pretty good after what was a pretty wet April in our area. The pollen forecast, thanks to all the rain, and plus we are headed deeper into the spring season, is a little lower than previous weeks. Tree pollen will remain medium high for the next several days or so. Our forecast as we head overnight tonight, there's no rain in the forecast. We'll have clear skies, a nice night in Warrenton. 53 the low temperature. It was 49 this morning in Augusta. We're about 52 tomorrow morning. 55 in Allendale. A lot of sunshine out there tomorrow, maybe a few fair weather cumulus clouds in the afternoon like we saw today, but a beautiful day in Louisville just like today with a high of 84. 84 in Barnwell, and another warm one in Lincolnton at 84 degrees. Here's your boating and fishing forecast. There it is, an east wind out there at 9 to 14, lake level at 330.3 with the water temperature now at 74 degrees. Well, April was a warm and rainy month for our area. At Augusta Regional Airport, temperatures were 3.6 degrees warmer than average, and rainfall was just under 5 inches. May has started off cooler than average so far, but the Climate Prediction Center says there's an equal chance that we'll have above average or below average temperatures as well as precipitation. In other words, they're expecting May to be pretty close to average. Paige?